What if your garden needed less water, fewer chemicals, and still looked amazing? That's exactly what native plants do. Native plants evolved to live in your local climate. They support pollinators. They handle weather stress better. And once established, they save time and money. Today, I'll share 12 of the best native plants that work beautifully in sustainable gardens across many regions. These are proven, reliable, and loved by wildlife. Let's get started. 1. Purple coneflower. This tough perennial is a pollinator magnet. Bees and butterflies love it. Birds enjoy the seed heads later in the season. It thrives in full sun and average soil. Once established, it's very drought tolerant. 2. Black-eyed Susan. This cheerful yellow flower blooms for months. It's easy to grow and fast to establish. It handles heat, poor soil, and neglect. Perfect for beginner-friendly, sustainable gardens. 3. Milkweed. Milkweed is essential for monarch butterflies. It's their host plant. Different species suit different soils and regions. Plant it in full sun for best results. Leave stems standing over winter for insects. 4. Switchgrass. This native grass adds structure and movement. It supports birds and beneficial insects. Deep roots improve soil health. It's excellent for erosion control and rain gardens. 5. Wild bergamot. This plant has lavender-pink blooms and fragrant leaves. It attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. It's also resistant to deer and rabbits. Good airflow helps prevent mildew. 6. Serviceberry. Serviceberry is a small native tree or shrub. It offers spring flowers, summer berries, and fall color. Birds love the fruit. It fits well in small yards and urban gardens. 7. Goldenrod. Goldenrod often gets blamed for allergies, but it's not the cause. It blooms late, feeding pollinators when little else does. It's hardy, beautiful, and incredibly valuable for ecosystems. 8. Little bluestem. This native grass changes color through the seasons. Blue-green in summer, copper and red in fall. It thrives in poor soil and full sun. 9. Eastern red columbine. This spring bloomer has red and yellow flowers. Hummingbirds love it. It prefers partial shade and well-drained soil. It self-seeds gently without becoming aggressive. 10. New England aster. This plant brings color to the fall garden. Purple blooms appear when most flowers fade. It's vital for late-season pollinators. Pinch plants early in the season for bushier growth. 11. Coral bells. Native coral bells offer colorful foliage. They grow well in shade or partial sun. They're great for ground cover and borders. Their flowers attract small pollinators. 12. Oak trees. Oaks support more wildlife than any other tree genus in North America. Hundreds of insect species rely on them. They're long-lived, resilient, and powerful anchors in sustainable landscapes. Even one oak makes a huge difference. Extra tips. Choose plants native to your specific region. Group plants with similar water needs. Avoid chemical pesticides and herbicides. Leave leaves and stems for overwintering insects. Start small and expand over time. If this video helped you, give it a like. It helps spread sustainable gardening ideas. Subscribe for more simple, eco-friendly garden tips and comment below. Which native plant are you excited to add to your garden? Thanks for watching. Grow smart. Grow native.